This is the elevator for the parking garage at Fashion Show Mall, Las Vegas. I really hope we get a silent trip because this thing does actually have a pretty good motor. So I do want to get a full ride on this. At least in the up direction. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. Motor. It's low in oil. Why? No alarm. I just wanted to press it because it was a parking deck. They tried to make this cab look nicer with the little lines on it, which I appreciate the effort to make it look not basic. Your MTVR fixtures. And someone's car alarm is going off down here. Or on the second floor, probably. I don't know if there's any more elevators on this deck. There might be one on the other side, but I'm not gonna check. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.